Today's recipe, chocolate chip coconut cookie bars. Let's rewind to when I was 11. There I was in the kitchen, my first solo cooking gig. Mom was out and dinner duty was all mine. Talk about a pressure cooker situation. I was a bundle of nerves wondering, can I actually do this? But you know what? I did. That day, a little chef was born, and my kitchen fears started turning into culinary cheers. Fast forward to today's recipe. It's not just about the blend of chocolate and coconut. It's a tribute to those early days of daring and discovery in the kitchen. So grab your apron and let's bake some memories. So here's to all of us who faced our kitchen fears and found joy in every stir and whisk. From that anxious 11-year-old to the baking buff I am today. It's been a journey filled with flavors and fun. Remember, every time you bake, you're adding a page to your own delicious story. All right, it's time to see those cookie bars. Let's get ready for a treat. Remember, if you're looking for any of these recipes that you find on this page, visit the link in bio and it'll take you to my blog where all the recipes are housed.